Hey, welcome back everyone. Today on the Zombie Apocalypse Do-It-Yourself to Alternative Energy, we are going to go over how to refill a 1-pound propane tank from a 20-pound barbecue tank.
Hey, stop real quick. Let me get your attention. I want to offer you a guide I wrote a few years back called Gas Holes. And what this does is it shows you how you can get gas for less than a penny a gallon. Okay, you can see here, March 24th, 2021, gas was $2.74 a gallon. Okay, I got 20 gallons of gas. I paid 18 cents for this. Okay, saved $54.80 on that tank of gas. I do this regularly. I wrote a guide on exactly how to do this step by step all over the country. You can do this. Stick around to the end of the video and I will show you how you can get this free copy of Gas Holes. And I hope you enjoy the video.
And this is a relatively simple process, and all you need is an adapter, a wrench, the two tanks to do the exchange with, and a scale. So there's a lot of benefits on why do you want to do this. A 1-pound propane tank is relatively expensive if you're just buying them one tank at a time, and another thing is they just seem to be disposable. And so what we want to do is we want to go ahead and eliminate the need to just dispose of these, and we want to save money at the same time. So let's take a look at what we have here and what we need. In order to do this, all you really need are these few items. So we've got the 20-pound barbecue tank. We've got a scale so we can figure out the start and finish weights. We've got a cylinder, and this is an adapter, and then just a wrench to tighten this down. This costs anywhere from $10 to $15 depending on where you get it from. It's reverse thread. It goes right inside of here, okay? And then tighten that up, and then I'll come back and tighten that down with the wrench. Okay. These 1-pound tanks, these, I want to say I see that they're 30 to 31 ounces if you buy them brand new. And an empty tank, I find that like if it doesn't have the plastic rim on here, these things weigh approximately 13 ounces. So what I'm looking at is refilling anywhere between 29 and 31 ounces. I feel like that's a safe parameters to be in. And you can see other videos that go in and tell you that you can take some hemostats and you can pull on this release valve right here, and it will relieve the pressure, the vapor, as you're filling the tank. I don't recommend that until the apocalypse comes. I think there's safer ways of doing this. I believe what is recommended is chilling the smaller canister, and I like to have the barbecue tank at about room temperature, or if it's warm outside, set this thing out in the sun and bring this up to a nice warm temperature. Okay, and then these 1-pound tanks, you don't need to go crazy. You can put these things in for about 5 or 10 minutes into the freezer, and I find that it takes about 2 fills in order to get up to the 29 to 30 ounce mark. So I really find that these 1-pound canisters are fantastic for all sorts of stuff, camping and just emergency stuff. I really like these Mr. Heaters. I keep my eye out for these on garage sales and the local marketplaces. We've got Coleman lanterns and stoves. You can get barbecue grills that run off of these things, these little torch tips. Okay? And then something else that I'd like to note is you can use these other canisters as well. These are popular with plumbers, and you can fill these up just the same as this, and they will screw into all these other products that we want to use them with. Okay. All right, so I've got another one I just pulled out of the freezer. We're at just over 1 pound. So there's 3 ounces of propane in here. Probably easier with 2 hands. sometimes I find that if the smaller canister is really cold, like say you did leave it in there for a fair amount of time, it'll actually suck in more gas than what we actually want. And so I'm actually good taking that off and weighing it and being safe. Like here we are at 1 pound 12 ounces, so I'm within an ounce of where I want to be. I think that's exactly what I want. And so yeah, you can find these things. I mean, keep your eye out. People just want to give them away. They don't know that a simple adapter can save them countless dollars. I mean, go from paying $3 or $4 or $5 for each one of these down to approximately $1 a piece for them. And you got them around for emergencies. You can put a note that when you're burning propane, you're creating carbon monoxide. Pay attention to all the safety warnings on any of the equipment that you're using. Use a carbon monoxide detector if you do plan on using stuff like this inside. Be safe when you're doing it. So we got them all filled up. They're all ready to go. I want to thank you guys all for watching this. Hit the like and the subscribe button to follow along, see some of the other projects that we've got going on this summer. One of the best ways that you can support the channel is we have an Amazon link down below, and if you purchase something off of Amazon and start out the purchase by clicking that link, we may earn a small commission, and that's an excellent way. Doesn't cost you anything extra.
So thanks for making it to the end of the video. Hey, like I said at the beginning of the video, if you want to get a free copy of Gas Holes, a guide to learn how to get gas for less than a penny a gallon, what you want to do is you want to log into your Facebook account and go to Zombie Apocalypse DIY Alternative Energy. Okay, and inside of the guides or the pinned post, you can find a copy that you can download on this. Be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share, tell your friends about this. Thanks for making it to the end. Have a great day.